Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 2 we're going to go over Chapter 1, Lesson 9. So here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, so as you see here we have factoring perfect square trinomials. And you'll see when you have the square and you have the AB and the B square, that's how you know you'll be factoring perfect square trinomials. And there are examples below as well. Alright, so this is the one that we're going to be focusing on, the square root property. Remember, when you have a square root, you're going to have two solutions. So that's the main thing that we need to remember here. We're going to have a positive solution and a negative solution. So let's try that with this example here. We want to solve x minus 9 squared, which is equal to 144. Well, I can't just solve it like this, but the one way I can get rid of this square is to square root it, because what the square root is, I'll make a little note here, square root is, I'm going to say to square root of a, is a to the 1/2 power. Well, if you already have a 2 here, these are going to cancel out if I had that more 1. So you'll see that we have just a now. But I can't just square root one side without square rooting the other side. Just like I can't add one side. Just like I can't just add one side and leave the other one hanging. I have to do the same thing to both sides of the equation. So I have x minus 9, which is equal to plus or minus the square root of 144. Alright, so let's go ahead and simplify this again. X minus 9 is equal to plus or minus, well, the square root of 144 is 12. Alright, so now I'm going to show my two different solutions. We have x minus 9, which is equal to 12, and x minus 9, which is equal to negative 12. I'm going to go ahead and box my x because I want to find out what x equals. Opposite of minus 9 is plus 9. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. X is equal to 21. Go ahead and box my x here. Opposite of minus 9 is positive 9. Add 9 to both sides. X is equal to negative 3. And there we go.